I'm gonna be talking to you about the top 5 questions my overseas clients have when they are contemplating pursuing a divorce in Jamaica. Hi everyone, I am Sophia Bryan. I am the principal attorney at the Law Boss firm based in Kingston, Jamaica. We are a transaction based law firm that prioritizes real estate planning, and an important component of estate planning is actually divorce. So, for many persons, divorce is a part of their estate plan because they have fallen out of love with the person that they got married to, and they want to ensure that the appropriate persons are going to be the beneficiaries of their legacy. Right? So, a lot of the clients that we have at the Law Boss firm are Jamaicans who are living in the United Kingdom, living in the United States, and living in Canada. And they come to us because they want to get a divorce, among other transactions. Now, there are 5 questions that we usually get before someone decides to bite the bullet and start their divorce process. The first question is, what if my spouse no longer talks to me? If your spouse no longer talks to you, that is perfectly fine. You do not need to communicate with them. We, as your advocate, we can speak to them on your behalf to start the process. What if they don't talk to you? What if you don't know how to find them? That's another big question. I don't know where to find this person. That's also not a major hurdle. There are certain things that we can do to locate where they would have been the last time you had communication with them, and we can take the necessary steps to ensure that they are served. The other question that we get often is, well, what if they don't want to sign the divorce papers? Now, I chuckle at this question because when this question is asked, they're comparing the Jamaican system with the system that operates in another jurisdiction. So within our jurisdiction here in Jamaica, the individual does not need to sign. Once they are served personally, that is all. They don't need to do anything. They can respond if they feel like. They don't need to. Once they are personally served and you have evidence showing that they have been personally served, that's it. There's nothing else that you need to do. That's the most important thing. The other question that we get is, well, what if I don't plan to come back to Jamaica? Does this affect my ability to get a divorce in Jamaica? Well, as long as you maintain a Jamaican passport, you're a Jamaican citizen, regardless of what other citizenship you may hold. As long as you are a Jamaican citizen, you can pursue a divorce in the Jamaican jurisdiction. Right? The other question that we get often is, how long will it take? Well, as a Jamaican living outside of the jurisdiction, we have to add a few more weeks because of the courier process, because your wet signature is required for all the documents that we file at the court on your behalf. So if you go and check the Supreme Court's website, they say 14 weeks if the application is error-free. Everybody's situation is different. There's no black and white divorce. Everybody's divorce and circumstances are different. So that means that it may not take 14 weeks. It may take longer. But I say to people, the time that you're spent worrying about how long it's going to take, you could have actually used that time to file your petition. What if you had filed a year ago? You'd be looking forward to getting your decree absolute right now. So I say to persons, don't focus on the time, focus on presenting all the information that we require of you. When we send you the documents, sign them as quickly as possible and send them to us by courier so that we can get your documents filed. We have no control over how long the court will take to review each leg of the divorce, but we can commit to being as efficient as we possibly can. right? And the other big question, I'm closing off the top 5. What will it cost? So it will be dependent on what your particular circumstances are. So if children are involved in the process, minor children, that is children that are under the age of 18 years old, if you are child free, or if you have children that are adult, then the fees will look slightly different. But if you want to have a conversation about what the fee would look like for you, you are welcome to schedule a call with us, a consultation call. Feel free to send me a direct message to indicate an interest in having a conversation. Most of the calls related to new clients, I'm the one that takes those calls, so you'll be speaking to me directly. So yeah, I would say the more think about what it will cost you not to get this done. You have been waiting, you have been languishing, you have been using all types of excuses, and I hope the questions that I've answered today will put you at rest. It doesn't matter if the individual doesn't talk to you, it doesn't matter if you don't know where they live, they don't need to sign anything. The cost is something. Think about what it will cost you not to get it done, and the time factor is dependent on how quickly you provide us with the necessary information, and of course the Supreme Court plays a role in how long it will take as well. We don't have any control over that. So I'm hoping to get to 1K subscribers on TikTok so that I can go live and answer your questions. So I would love for you, if you know a Jamaican who is living overseas, whether it's the UK, USA, or Canada, and they want to get a divorce. Maybe it's not necessarily for estate planning purposes, but maybe they want to move along their immigration process. I'm happy to jump over to immigration TikTok as well. Please share this video with them. Let them know that there is a law firm in Jamaica that specializes with helping Jamaicans who are residing overseas. I'm happy to answer any questions that you may have in the comments for future videos on this particular subject matter. And if there are any other questions related to getting a divorce or family related issues, feel free to put them in the comments and I'll be happy to answer them. All right, thank you so much for your attention, and please please give me a follow. Please share this video to somebody that it may be of assistance to. You can reach the Law Boss Firm by just simply going to our website, thelawbossfirm.com. That's THELAWBOSSFIRM, thelawbossfirm.com, and you'll see all the ways that you can get in touch with us. You can complete our form, you can call our office line directly, or you can send an email. So many ways to reach us, and of course you can reach us via direct messages here on the app. All right, looking forward to another video. Bye.